This year we'll be having a series of aesthetic conferences throughout the year, and one of it is the AMWC Asia in Taipei. So this year I'll be talking about 3 topics. The first topic I'll be talking about is the Body Aesthetics 2020, where I'll touch base on the ultimate combination for body aesthetics, talking about a full range of energy-based devices they can do for body aesthetics. The second topic I'll touch base on is about men's are from Mars and women's are from Venus. My topic will be about what drives men into aesthetic practices. And the third topic is on thread lifts. I'll talk about the science and the artistry of non-surgical facelift using threads and how it works and what works better. So with that, I hope to see you guys there.